So I will distort, and now I fall short. I will melt down, but I will get up. So you do this, watch me do that. See how it feels to get it right back. Everything stops when the door moves, and I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Cause I am like this because you did that. Believe me, if I could, I would jump this track. Well, I cannot control anything but me, and even that is hard to do, and I can barely breathe. I can't control anything you feel, and that's the hardest part to deal with. Cause for